We all seek to cultivate strength and resilience, both in body and spirit. Bruce Lee reminds us that greatness begins with focus. Today we'll harness that focus to master the fundamentals of Wing Chun. Together, we'll build these qualities one step, one punch at a time. I remember my first Wing Chun class over 2 decades ago. I felt overwhelmed by the complexities of even the most simplest movements. But every session I returned, I focused on perfecting one thing at a time. Step by step, I found my rhythm, I found my flow, and more importantly, I found my confidence. That's the beauty of Wing Chun and Kung Fu. It grows with you. Welcome everyone. Today we embark on the journey of mastering 3 basic punches. Remember, every great martial artist started right where you are, taking the first step, building the foundation. Let's do this together. Start by standing tall, feet together, shoulders relaxed. Bring your fists beneath your chest, centering them close to your body. Now open your stance slowly for 1, 2, 3, 4. Lower your center of gravity, softening your knees slightly. Keep your focus on the target directly in front of you along the center line of your body. Remember, every powerful technique begins with a strong foundation. You're building yours right now. Center line punch. Begin by aligning your fist with the center of your body. Place the palm of the opposite side just next to the fist. Punch straight out from the center. Keep the punch relaxed but focused. Imagine a line of energy extending from your chest to your target. The fist goes straight, the parry crosses the center line as it pushes out from one side of the shoulder to the edge of the other side, but away from the body. This punch represents clarity, direction, and focus. Feel your intention flow through your fist. Retract your fist, bring it back beneath your chest as you relax. As you retract, simultaneously bring the palm back to form a fist beneath the chest as well. Repeat this on the other side. Every punch strengthens your resolve. Let's do a few rounds. Each movement is a statement. Each movement is a testament to your dedication. Let's aim for about 10 rounds each side. Remember, repetition is the mother of skill. Stay focused. Every punch you throw connects you deeper to your purpose. You're here to grow. You're here to learn. You're here to push beyond what you thought was possible. Keep going. You're doing well. Now let's move on to the outer gate punch. Now let's learn the second punch, the outer gate. Start by taking your palm and parrying it across your body. Sweep your hand through the 2 upper gates, moving like water, effortlessly covering your center. The other hand forms a tonsile, palm up, elbow down, ready to strike. This is your chance to defend and attack in a single motion. As you do this, turn from your hip to generate power from within. Punch with the original parrying hand straight down the center of your body. Feel the energy move from your core, radiating through your fist. The hip drives the punch. This is an important principle. Let your whole body participate. Remember, You're learning to flow like a river that overcomes all obstacles. Repeat. Turn, parry, tunsao, punch. Turn, parry, tunsao, punch. Recenter your fist beneath your chest. Turn, parry, tunsao, punch. Your body moves as one. Let's practice this for 10 rounds, with each turn becoming sharper, becoming stronger, and becoming more fluid as you become more aware. Remember, each movement is a conversation with your body. Listen closely, respond gently, and trust that you're building mastery one step at a time. Now this brings us to our final punch, the sink elbow. Bring your fist beneath your chest. Drop the elbow towards the center line, aligning it with the core of your body. Feel the grounded strength of your stance as you prepare for the punch. Parry with the opposite hand, pushing down by the elbow to cover your lower defensive box. As you punch, extend out and away from your body, protecting your center. Each punch is a declaration of your intention to protect and empower yourself. Feel the strength in your core guiding every motion. Retract, reset, repeat. Punch and parry again, feeling the energy flow through your body. Practice for 5 rounds on each side, knowing that each repetition brings you closer to mastery. Remember, persistence beats resistance. Great work today. We covered the basics, but realize the journey has just begun. Every time you practice, you grow stronger, not just in body, but in spirit. Remember, you're learning to harmonize your movement with your purpose. The center line inner gate punch, the outer gate punch, and the sink elbow punch. These techniques embody the heart of Wing Chun, direct, efficient, and deeply rooted in the center line principle. Keep practicing and let these movements become a part of you. Remember, mastery is not achieved in a day, but through countless moments of dedication. Every practice session, every punch, brings you closer to becoming the warrior you aspire and deserve to be. Practice these movements with intention and patience. Comment below with any questions, and don't forget to join me live for Q&A, where we'll dive deeper into these fundamentals. Like, share, and subscribe for more Kung Fu wisdom and training tips. Remember, every step on this path brings you closer to mastery. And when you're ready to move on, check out some of these other videos over here. I go by the name Kansura, the Kung Fu creator. Thank you for your attention. Stay inspired and inspirational.